show you are about to see does not reflect the views of Coco 4567-1000. Thank you.
Hey everybody, this is my new pistol. I got my aimer, and then I got this, and then I got my trigger, I got this, I got my little thingy right here, and I'll show you how this thing fires. It's actually pretty powerful. I pop the magazine back in, the barrel's okay, pull this back, pop it in, push forward.